Raja. Anybody seen Raja? Yes, boo, this here is giving me Jessica Rabbit vibes. I'm about to sing the Raja real quick. Ah, hold up. Y'all need to check this review out. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So yes, I am trying out Catalina. You've seen Catalina trending everywhere. Why do I have hair pieces hanging on me? But I ain't tried her out yet, so I had to bring it to you. Now, everybody has been trying out the chocolate truffle, the blonde, and all of that. I had to try out this one, okay? So this is from the new Outre Melted Hairline collection, and this is Catalina. The color I have is DR2/CINSPICE, and everything nice. She caught my eye. I had to try it on. Now, if you guys have seen reviews from other people, a lot of people were saying some similar things, so I was kind of expecting it, but I didn't kind of get everything that they was talking about. So if you want to see my review and see what I think about this unit, maybe specifically in this color is a little bit different from all those blondes, because you know blondes is a lot different from other colors and dark colors and all of that. Stay tuned, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and comment down below if you enjoyed this video, and turn on that post notifications, boo. By the way, I still have a giveaway running. It ends on Friday, so go enter if you haven't done so already. Now let's flip this and get into the review and the specs on this unit. So this is what she looks like straight out of the packaging. I thought she looked a little bit frayed. She looked like somebody worn it already. I'm like, why the hairs is all over the place? She's not neat. I was not happy. I was like, nah, I'm not gonna like this wig. People have been calling her nappy or tangly, and I was just like, nah, sis, I'm mad I spent like $30-something on her. But we gonna see what happened and if I really like her or not. So let's just, you know. But anyway, she has a comb in the back on the nape area. She has a comb on each temple. She has a side part on the right side. We have an elastic band in the middle. Does she have adjustable straps? Not sure. I'll put a thumbs up or thumbs down to let you guys know because I don't really remember. We have some lace in the front. Now, this is one of the things that people were talking about. They were like, the lace looked a little funny. It was looking a little greenish. I don't see a little green. Granted, I do see a little bit of yellow. Like, it looks literally like a cardboard box that I'm looking at in my house right here. It's kind of like a yellow color. It's not really green, but it didn't look too bad. If you blend her right, you'll be all right. When I put her on my head, she is definitely big head friendly, okay? The lace goes from ear to ear. Now, I was cutting her, my mirror is off to the side, so it was kind of hard for me to stay in camera and focus and cut her. But I cut the lace off as usual, nothing special, and I used my little razor comb. And then once I cut her off, she literally fits from ear to ear. She fits in front of the ear, actually. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I laid her down, and then I'm gonna let you know what I think about her.
I've been drinking. I've been drinking.
She's very pretty, very pleasing to look at. Like, oh my gosh, you feeling like so bomb and sexy in this. I'm gonna say this though, when I got her on and styled and stuff, and I looked in the mirror, the texture kind of reminded me. I never owned Anisha, but just looking at it, it has like a yaki texture to it, you know? It's not bone straight. It really has like a yaki texture. The texture of this unit I absolutely love. It's not like super like plastic feeling, and it's not super synthetic feeling. It has a little bit of naturalness to it, and it's definitely got a little yak textures up in it. I don't know if you can see it, but you need to see that, okay? Now, as far as it tangling, like everyone was saying, she's not really that tangly. Like, if you look at it, my hands can go through it. She gets just about as tangly as someone with natural hair and who got it straightened out, and then you're like, ah, got a kink or two. Like, she's not tangling up for me. So like I said, I don't know if it's a color thing because of the color option that I chose versus what everyone else got that more has such like blonde colors in it. I don't know, but she's really not tangling like that. Like, she's dealable. I don't know if you guys remember that, but the other popular wig, the Stevie that I reviewed for you guys, that one was way more tangly than this one. This one is not giving me a lot of tangle problems, so I can deal with this. But that Stevie was something to deal with, and I was not happy. So yeah, that's it with the tangling. Now, as far as shedding goes, I'm not gonna say I see a whole lot of shedding. I mean, there was shedding when I cut the lace and after a few little brush strokes or whatever. Like, she's cool. Like, no problems with that at all. The color I absolutely love. I loved it when I saw it on the website. That's why I chose this color. I wasn't really into all the other colors. They have frozen gray, which I actually thought about getting, and chocolate truffle, DRFF hazelnut, DRFF2 brown sugar, and DRFF4 golden honey. And they're all like blonde colors besides the gray and cinnamon spice. This, you guys, it's a nice color. And then you got the little bit of dark brown up here to give it a little blend. It's not dark. It doesn't have to be black. I think that the blend and the transition is pretty itself. It doesn't have that much of a luster. The most luster is up here. And if that's something that bothers you, go ahead and get a little powder and help get sister right. But all down here, you don't really see a luster. Like, you just see texture, the body and the texture. Now, as far as the fullness goes, I'm happy with it. Again, I heard some people saying that she was like thin and stuff, but she's not that thin to me. She's like just perfect. She's not thin where it's like you feel flimsy, and she's not like so thick that it's just too much to deal with. Like, she's perfect. All right, I'll give you a quick 360 really quick. This is the front. This is what she looks like from the side, and this is the back. Okay, now as far as the length goes, she comes up to like right here on me, okay? So I don't know, you could call it like a 22 inch if you're stretching it. You know what I'm saying? She's a pretty good, decent lift. I'm not mad at the length at all. Now let's get into the lace. Okay, y'all, so for melted hairline, I think the hairline looks pretty good. I didn't pluck it or anything like that. You guys saw that I did add a little bit of foundation to just kind of blend it out, and then I added a little bit of powder to it. That's all you really need to do. I mean, if you can see, it blends good. I have only my real baby hairs being used. I didn't even use their baby hairs that came with it. It was pretty long, but I don't care for it. I don't think the unit needs it. And look, it's not even on my scalp, so that's how good it looks, and it's not on my scalp. I did put some Got To Be glued on the sides of my edges, only because you know, the lace was just kind of flapping here, and I'm like, okay, I'll put some on the sides just to make it look right. So that's what we're looking like, okay? So you could put this back in a ponytail, and she just looks natural. Like, she looks good. I mean, if you want to melt her down and glue her down, or put some Got To Be glued all over the lace, you can do that too. But all in all, you don't really need to. If you just wanted to have the flawless look as much as you can without having to do so much work, you can just put a little freeze spray here or nothing at all. You know, it's all up to you, and it's all preference. I did add a little powder in the lace, but all in all, I think that the lace looks pretty good. I mean, she does have a few flyaways too, like it's all in my mouth and all of that good stuff, but I'm not really tripping off of it right now. You could just spray it down with some freeze spray or add some serum, but I ain't going nowhere tonight. I'm going to take this off. I just put it on for the review. So I think she's pretty. I think she's worth the money. Like I said, she's not tangly like Stevie was, and she's not as tangly as people made her seem. The texture is really, really nice. The fullness looks nice. The hairline is natural. Like, girl, like, why would you not want this unit? So I am not mad I spent my money on it. All in all, she's very pretty, and she's just easy. Like, I'm happy with my purchase, so we working with it, right? That's it. Let me know what you think about this unit. Have you purchased it? Did you want to get it in some other colors? Let me know if I missed anything. If it's something that you want to ask specifically, let me know in the comments and I'll answer it for you. I think I hit every point on here, and I know I mentioned before, but I'm going to go ahead and say it again. She big head friendly. She goes from ear to ear. Clearly, you see she's in front of my ear, and she's sitting nicely and pretty. So yes, if you have a big head, you can go ahead and get this unit. So shout out to Outre for this one, because this melted hairline unit is looking like a banger. Let me know if you want to try out Aaliyah, because I have my eyes on her and I really think I want to try her out, but let me know first, okay? All All right, so that's a wrap. That is it. This is Princess Catalina. I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all go now. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to sleep because it's late and I'm tired. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Love you guys. Bye.